Ever wondered why your hair stands up after pulling off a sweater? Or why you get a tiny shock touching a doorknob? That's static electricity, a hidden force waiting to be explored. Imagine holding the power to make things move, attract, and even spark, all with simple materials found at home. Let's unlock the mysteries of static electricity through some easy, fun experiments. First up, grab a balloon and rub it against your hair or a wool sweater. As you do, electrons transfer, creating an electric charge. Hover the balloon over small bits of paper or a stream of water and watch them jump and bend toward the balloon. That invisible energy? It's static electricity in action. Next, take a plastic comb and run it through dry hair. Then hold the comb near a pile of salt and pepper. Notice how the pepper dances before the salt follows. Static charges pull the lighter particles first, making science feel almost like magic. For another experiment, place two inflated balloons together. Rub both on your hair and try to push them together. Their matching charges make them repel, like magnets that just won't stick. Each experiment brings static electricity to life, showing how charge builds up and transfers, leading to amazing effects. All you need is curiosity, some household objects, and a sense of wonder. So, gather your materials and let science spark your imagination. Static electricity isn't just a textbook concept, it's something you can feel, see, and create. Embrace the magic, experiment safely, and discover how even the simplest actions can light up your world.